receiving laptop from the government of Meghalaya. So without further ado, I now request our District School Education Officer, Shrimati L. to give a short speech to the student.
A very good afternoon. A very good afternoon to all of you. I stand here on behalf of the Education Department. So I extend my greetings to our Honorable Chief Guest, Gabriel, for being present today, us here today. And I would like to thank him also to have been able to spare the valuable time to be with us today. Thank you, Bakraba, for allowing me to speak. I don't have much to say regarding this, so I would also like to extend my greetings to all the officials who are here, who have been invited to this program, as well as the SP and all the teachers from different schools that have been invited to this program, as well as the students especially, who are the most crucial members of this program. Without your presence, maybe we will not have this program, so it is for you. And this program has been organized by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner today for distributing these MTABs, the mobile tablets, to all the students who have enrolled themselves in class 11 for the session 2022-23. So I believe these students now are studying in class 12, right? So you are now in class 12. So these mobile tablets that you are going to receive today, remember they are to help you in your studies mainly. Okay, it is not for your games, for the purpose of playing games, because it will get heated, I'm telling you the truth. So, in an initiative taken by the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and the government of Meghalaya, in order to help to assist the students with digital learning, because everything is going digital now. We all know that even our studies, you only need to go to Google to find out so many materials in order that you will get assistance in your studies in different subjects. So these mobile tablets, I believe they have been preloaded with